Imagine a kitchen filled with the sweet, intoxicating aroma of freshly baked cookies. Picture the warmth of the oven, the soft glow of the lights, the comforting hum of holiday tunes in the background. This isn't just any kitchen, it's a haven of holiday cheer, and at the heart of it all, a batch of delightful Christmas cookies are taking shape. Today, the spotlight shines on the art of baking these festive treats. To begin, gather all the necessary ingredients: flour, baking powder, salt, unsalted butter, white sugar, an egg, vanilla extract, and your favorite cookie cutters. Now, mix the dry ingredients together in a bowl. That's the flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Whisk them together until they're well combined. In a separate bowl, take the unsalted butter and sugar. Cream them together using an electric mixer until they're light and fluffy. Add the egg and vanilla extract to this mixture, continuing to mix until everything is well incorporated. Next, slowly add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture. Do this bit by bit, mixing as you go along to ensure a smooth and even dough. Once the dough is ready, wrap it in plastic and let it chill in the refrigerator for about an hour. This is an important step that gives the cookies their perfect texture. After an hour, take the dough out and roll it on a floured surface. Use your favorite holiday-themed cookie cutters to shape the cookies. Place the shaped cookies on a lined baking tray and bake them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until golden brown. While the cookies are baking, prepare the icing. Mix powdered sugar, milk, and a few drops of food coloring. Remember, creativity shines through here, so feel free to experiment with different colors. Once the cookies are out of the oven and have cooled down, it's time for the fun part. Decorate them with the icing, sprinkles, edible glitter, or anything else that adds a festive touch. And there you have it, a batch of delightful Christmas cookies ready to be enjoyed. In this video, the journey through the art of baking Christmas cookies was explored, from gathering the ingredients to making the dough, to shaping and baking the cookies, and finally to decorating them with festive cheer. Remember, the joy of baking these cookies isn't just in the end product, but in the process itself. The warmth of the kitchen, the sweet aroma filling the air, and the satisfying feeling of creating something from scratch. These are all part of the wonderful experience. So go ahead, embrace the spirit of the holiday season, and treat yourself and your loved ones to a batch of homemade Christmas cookies. They're not just cookies. They are memories. They are love. They are Christmas.